Hoover Dam. So that's the where they control the
dam.
So why is there a bridge and then a dam? Right? Why is that always the one we saw in the canyon, right? There. On this structure, $10. And then, oh, right here. Let's read this first. Welcome to Hoover Dam. Mommy, come here.
Welcome.
Let's read the welcome. Turn left. You're gonna turn left to the visitor center. Tour. So that's a parking lot. Then here's the. We're going to the visitor center. Going down to the visitor center. Oh, it's not yet open. Well, let's line up.
Let's go down. Down there, cooling station.
I think it's open 9 o'clock.
A few details for you folks. We're going to have you walk through security, get the ticketing, and either one of those areas will be good to walk through. A reminder, no pocket knives, no weapons allowed in. If you have those, they have to be brought back to the car, all right? We're going to ask you to take everything out of your pockets, belts off, in those containers. Once you go through the ticketing, you got 3 options: visitor center ticket, museum exhibit, and overlook for $10. Or you can get a power plant tour for $15. That's a 30-minute tour, includes a visitor center and a 10-minute movie first. Or you can do the hour-long dam tour for $30 a piece, includes the power plant for the first half. Then you go inside the dam to check out an inspection tunnel and more there for over an hour, and movie included with everything there. And any questions, please let me.
The guided
tour.
dam tour. Okay. Come on. Right there. So together first for the guided dam tour. We're gonna watch a movie first. A movie about the tour. Okay.
You're the only ones with those wristbands. That's why you have them on. So she'll make an announcement for all of you to come over with me. You're going to see.
Guys, you're going to go straight ahead, right down those steps.
Okay, thank you. Is that crazy? Yeah, it's like a bunker. It's the tunnel bunker. Oh, right there. Wow. Look at that. This is crazy. It's crazy.
We have all these water factory of these pipes because they're gonna chip it.
Yeah. Don't touch anything, okay?
Colorado River. Oh, that's from the Lake Mead. So it's all from the lake.
All right.
Yes.
All right, so welcome once again to Hoover Dam. And for those of you who did not ride down in the elevator with me, I'm Catherine. I'm your tour guide today.
Tunnel, under the tunnel, under the Hoover Dam. We are in the cave. This is our tunnel.
Rotor that's out of a generator. And they've been working on it, and only about 10% of our visitors ever get to see it, so it's pretty cool. It might be loud in there, I don't know what they're doing.
Oh, we are under the tunnel. Imagine that, 1930s, they can build tunnels already. We are under the tunnel, Hoover Dam. Yeah, entering the. Whoa, Ray.
All right, everyone, keep on coming all the way into the room for me and find yourself a good spot around the balcony. Feel free to move around if you like. Generators. There are 8 that you see here on the Nevada side. We have 9 more on the Arizona side for a total of 17 commercial generators. Each generator stands 70 feet tall, but you can only see the top 30 feet of them. Just one generator can produce up to 130 megawatts of electricity. That's enough to power about 65,000 electrical outlet, which represents power. And the circular one behind the rest of you shows the movement of water flowing through So we have power and water. And now, if you look to my right, you will be looking in the direction of Lake Mead. Between Lake Mead and us, right behind this wall, is the Hoover Dam. It stands 726 feet high, 45 feet wide at its crest, and is 660 feet thick at its base. So to help you visualize this, look from this wall all the way back down.
Straight, yeah, kind of straight or like that. I never, it makes sense, but like, well, they over-engineered it so that it didn't need to.
First dam to really do this and put this kind of Art Deco beautiful style into it. We're going to go up into the dam in a minute. When we get up there, it's not going to look like this. No marble terrazzo, no Art Deco. We're pretty much inside of the concrete. That floor was not designed for tourists. But real quick, before we walk down this tunnel, how many of you saw Vegas Vacation with Chevy Chase?
Yes.
Okay, some of you have. If you haven't seen this movie, you got to watch it. Now that you've been
I wonder if he's an angle. I'm an engineer back. What's that? You know? I wonder if he's an angle.
We are in the tunnel, Hoover Dam tunnel. It's cool.
So, we're going to make 2 trips. I'll take the first half up. My coworker Steven's around the corner. He's going to take the second group up. When we get up there, we're going to walk down that vent I showed you. Now, when you go down this vent, a couple things. If you're taller than me, which is about 5'11" and a half, watch your heads. Okay? It's about 5'11" and a half in this too. So be careful and then watch your footing. There's some areas where the concrete sticks out. It's painted in yellow, so just watch where you...
Oh, I see why you touch your bottom short.
Let's go single file.
1, 2, 3.
Don't make it owner. Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, stay
Alt 50. Wait, come on. Go.
I'm gonna do it. I was in a rush. Tunnels like the one we're standing in. Now there's about 2.5 miles of inspection tunnels inside the dam. There's 10 different floors. I'll tell you what they're mainly used for, or what they were used for in just a minute. But halfway down, I know you all want to know, what's that grate you walked over halfway down? So it's a vertical inspection shaft. It goes straight down about 100 feet. So I always tell everybody after you've gone over it, so a lot of people won't go over it, so you're welcome for that. But it's not really used much anymore. Same thing with these tunnels. These tunnels were mainly used for 2 things. They used them for inspecting for cracks and also for all those pipes. You guys all saw the movie, right?
I check.
Okay, some of you
I'm
did.
gonna watch it when we get home.
Okay, so in the film, you're gonna see how they built this. They built it in blocks, and in those blocks, they ran 1-inch pipe, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then it starts over again. You're gonna see a big seam in the middle where the next block begins, and then on the right, at that seam, you're gonna see letters. So M, N, O, P, so on and so forth. That's the letter of the blocks were used. They would take a wire and tie it between the 2 bolts. If it broke, they knew that this was expanding. If it was sagging, it was contracting. So that was a way that they could find out how that the dam was moving. By the way, as we walk around here, it would not fall all the way to the bottom. The ones that go up to the left, those are all the original ones, steel.
It's not. 700.
Do it without the yellow.
Down in those diversion tunnels where you guys started this tour, down there it was extremely dangerous. They were breathing exhaust fumes for years, 8 hours a day. There was no ventilation.
What do you expect?
So we were in there.
Yeah.
We were in there.
We were in there, right?
Yeah, we were
Yeah,
in there.
below.
We were in there at the very bottom of the tunnel.
We're inside the rock actually. Okay, come on, that is
Hoover Dam.
That's what he wanted.
That's a nice view right there.
Nobody carries cameras anymore.
Here, Nick, look.
Inside.
Why do you drop a water?
Okay, let's go cross the. One more. Yeah, one more. Yeah, one more. I'll just take a bit.
Did we cross that bridge?
No, we did not.
What? I don't see any cars passing. Are there
There,
cars passing?
there are.
Only tourists. Look at there.
No, there are cars, but you cannot see the car.
There are people walking.
Walking, yeah.
I think this is better here under.
Yeah,
than
under.
Because you can see the bridge. No?
Yeah. So the left side is Arizona, or right side is Arizona, and then Nevada.
Let's go to Arizona.
We are here in Arizona, and then we're gonna cross Nevada. So we were in the we are on the Nevada side, right? Is that correct?
Yeah.
So we went down there on the turbines.
The main purpose of this dam is to prepare for
flooding.
drought.
Yeah,
for drought and to for the floods, to control the floods coming from the mountain, from the mid lake.
Yeah, mostly water.
Yeah, from the when there's too much snow, it melts and it goes to the mid lake. And how?
No.
It's
This
the water,
no,
like,
mommy.
few inch.
It's right there. That's why they control it, and then they release it from there.
Oh, this one is the receiving. This
Yeah.
one is the releasing. Okay.
So that's where the bend we went. Yeah. Cross the street. Let's cross the street.
Yeah. Okay, let's take picture. Oh, yeah. That's right, huh? Oh, this is the line.
Which one?
You see the line, Daddy?
Yeah, the water.
Is that where the water reaches before?
Yeah, before I think. That's
Imagine
the.
that. It's like 10 times. How did you say 3 times to Niagara?
Yeah. In 1983.
1950.
Nevada time. We'll just take a picture in Nevada time and then we'll go.
What about the...
Okay, oh yeah, exhibit.
Got your phone.
So we can go out. Okay. Let's buy the bottle here. Of the visitor center.
There has to be a cool thing.
Watch out. Sorry. This is the.
Cheese, what?
So this is a better way to view it. Look at that. So where are we? We went there or on there are 3 bends? I see 3 bends.
I think the top one, the very top.
Very top. On the right side there.
It's definitely not the very bottom. It's either the second or third one. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Like the highest one.
Oh, look at that. So there are people going down.
Ah, this is the other side.
At the base, you see 2 long
You were
buildings,
there,
one on
Rodney.
each side of the canyon. These house the 17 generators that create the electrical energy that provides the funding for the operation and maintenance of this facility. This allows Hoover Dam to operate without the use of taxpayer dollars. The community walls at 230,000 volts. The wires are leaning into the canyon. These are cantilever towers, designed to ensure that the wires do not touch the walls of the canyon and short out. Now look downriver, midway on the canyon wall, and you will see a rectangular concrete building with 6 holes. This is the valve house.
Oh, there are a lot. Be quiet. Don't make any noise. Or else they will want them. These are bighorn?
Yeah.
Is this the same that we saw in? How many are they? There are a lot. Okay, go. Sit down.
Oh, there's a bee on you.
What? There's a bee. Remove the bee. Remove the bee. Remove the bee. They're coming down. Oh shit, it's coming over us.
He's coming over us, right there. Hello. Hello, be quiet. Oh.
Sit down, Ollie. Okay, good. Yes. Well, they said around 2 to 4 they're going down here to eat. So they go up usually.
There's more than 4.
Yeah, no, 2 p.m. Okay, good.
If you squish it, it's not worth it, man. It's not worth it.
What? Take a picture. Ay, ay, ay. Let them rest. Let them rest. If you're gonna get what do you call the term? If you're gonna get swag by, that's not nice. Let them rest. If you're gonna
They go to the mountain. Where's their house?
right there, the mountain.
No.
Ray, stand up here, Ray.
Wanna play basketball? Hello. Ah!
not static.
Hey.
This is court made of.
Yeah.
It's like plastics.
It's so hot, they're so tired.
You should get some water.
Wait, I take a picture of it. Just look at it.
Like touch the fence.
Wait, dude, that guy. He's looking at me.
Stand up here.
What grass? There's grass over there.